guys, in this video we're going to be creating or it will be an overview on how to create this piece of detail here, the side bright trim metal here. This piece I have here in your layer, this piece of metal we have here. So you will have to offset the curves you use to trim out the sheet metal, and you will have to offset them inwards, so then you can project those curves onto the actual side glass surface, and you will have something to support the bright metal trim. Once you project those curves, you can create a draft from the custom surface, and you will create this surface you see here coming out the side glass, and that will be the other piece of surface to support our bright metal trim. So once you've done that, I want to be creating a piece as an example for you. So I'm going to be creating a little piece of this bright metal for you. Here I created a 7-degree curve. You can use a 5-degree curve, and here I have another one, and as you can see, it's starting on the draft we built from the side glass, and then it's finishing near the fillet down here we have. So we're gonna be using then the square tool to create a surface, but first we need to create a duplicate onto these curves here. So I'm just creating curves from the surface boundaries, and now I'm gonna use the attach tool again with connect and 0 distance, and I'm gonna attach these 3 curves and create only one. So that will be one boundary for our square surface. I pick this last one here, and that will be all these 3 curves joined, and now I can use the square tool with all the boundaries set to position, and I'm gonna pick these curves and all the boundaries, this one, the draft, and then the other one, this other curve here, and create this piece. I'm gonna turn the controls on and see what we've got. We have a little bit of twisting here, so I'm gonna change the reveal option for the boundary 3, and we have a better CV structure here. So the process for the rest of the bright metal will be kind of the same. So you can use the same profile curve we use, the 7-degree curve, or it can be a 5-degree curve if you like. So you will have to do the same process for the rest of the patches. I'm going to show you the CV structure here of these ones I have from the finished piece. So as you can see, we have kind of separate pieces, but we're trying to get tangency between them. So I'm checking that I have tangency here. If you don't have tangency, you can use the line tool with the G1 alignment to get a proper alignment in all the pieces here. You can see also that I have very nice CV structure too, so everything has to be in place. And yeah, that's the way we created all these surfaces here to create a bright metal piece, and you can create a layer with this detail and put all the surfaces there. So you're seeing here the different patches I've got on my car, so it's better to see the patch layout. So that's it for this video. Hope you found it useful, and see you in the next one.